welcome back to a new video. To another video. I know this is long overdue already. Okay, since my last post, I guess it was last month, but now I finally got time to edit, and right now I'll be giving you another video, and this video is all about my fun experiences sa mga events during Higalaay Festival 2019. Most especially sa mga events nga ako ang gihostan, nga ako ang nag-host. So I hope you keep watching till the end. Kay, of course, this will show you kung saan kalingaw, and it will give you an access sa mga backstage ng mga happenings and all of those stuff. Okay. To start off, my first kick-off activity or event sa August was the NBA or the Higalaay NBA 2K19 tournament at SM Uptown. So this is a first for me. Not first time nag-host, but it's my first time to host at the same time mag-organize ng event. So it's with SM, with Asquashay Production, and Captain Poy's Game House. So that was it. That was 2-day. By the way, 2-day tournament to siya, and hats off to all those nga mga nag-help, especially sa mga friends and sponsors for making that event very successful and possible. Okay. Since the next video that I'll be showing to you is my first time ever. First time ko naka-call time of 2 a.m. ladies and gentlemen. 2 a.m. And, of course, lakas ang Circle Productions na binasi Mommy Marge. Hi, Mommy Margie! Ayan, so, that event is for the 10th Cagayan Festival Marathon with Joe Romantico.
Let's go, Monday! Good luck! Wow, ang dami! Hello!
Okay, so those were my first two events for the first week, early weeks of August, and I'm moving you forward sa mga bandang pa-fiesta na good, pre-fiesta week sa August. So it's a back-to-back music festival of #South by Mouth by SM. The first one, it's my first with SM Downtown premiere with Jarlo Basse, of course, with his band. Hello there, everybody. I am here at the SM Studio Downtown premiere for my hosting stint with Jarlo Basse. As I've had an initial talk with them. First time nila here sa Mindanao, and first time nila here sa CDO. So they're very thankful, and I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure Cagayanos as well as so excited to hear out their performances. So later on, I'll show you. So just stick around.
And sa mga kaibigan ko or sa mga pamilya ko na pinipilit na lang talaga na rin sarili lang mag-stay. Minsan for the wrong reasons, minsan naman for the right reasons, pero I guess sa pananaw ko, kung wala na talaga, wala na talaga.
One of the events na very memorable sa ako sa Higalaay Festival is, one of the hosting stint na very memorable for me would be the South by Mouth at SM Uptown with Silent Sanctuary. know nga favorite guide na ako ang mga songs ni Silent Sanctuary. Sugod tong sa ilang ikaw lamang. And then, sa'yo, pasensya ka na, bumalik ka na sa akin, and all their songs, I love it, and I just can't believe, and starstruck yung kaayo ko that I've heard them live, and ako pag ang nag-post, so, I guess it's my favorite hosting stint so far sa Higalaay Festival. Siyempre naman mga kapamilya, one of the most exciting ginahulatan siguro sa entire Cagayanon Sweet Pea, our Kapamilya Caravan. Although wala kayo ka-quote footage off stage because sobrang naka-busy and grabe katuloy-tuloy ang show. By the way, congratulations to all the backstage person, our EP, si Brother Bernie Bitok-Bitok, and of course, the na nag-create sa team of ABS-CBN North team for a very successful Kapamilya Caravan. We're down to third to the last game. Bago tabi ng mga artista and we're just so excited para sa FPJ Probinsyano Cup. Wait, dili lang na mag-end sa wave ni Yasi. Guys, nag-kiss si Coco Martin sa akong cheeks. Lagi! Na! Watch this.
Ayaw mo na bibitin, kaya mabuti pang apoy.
Murag, winner na. Ako na gid ang Higalaay Festival Queen ato nga moment, guys. So that was it, our Kapamilya Caravan 2019 with the cast of FPJs ang Probinsyano. So I would just like to say and shout out to all the artists nga very talented gid kay sila. They gave us a good show. Dagan kay gikanta si Coco Martin and dagan pud kay gipong perform ang mga artists, which is so great. Sulit na sulit gid kay lang pagbisita and for sure nga naganahan and happy kaayo ato ang mga kapamilyas. And for my last hurrah of the Higalaay Festival events, it's the Higalaay Pyro Festival 2019 at SM Uptown. We're in 200,000 plus ang crowd. Estimated lang yan. And this year, by the way, it's they have a surprise. They brought something new for us, and it's the Lights Drone Show. Overall, very nice kayo itong night because it's a colorful finale sa Higalaay Festival. So yun! So diba, it was an amazing Higalaay Festival, a successful one. Kamusta ba yung experience? If you guys happen to have a photo with me, nga nag-selfie ta, nga dinali-dali, please don't forget to tag me or i-comment ninyo below sa itong mga photos naman, diba? And I guess that sums up my entire Higalaay Festival na mga events and experience as well. And I hope I gave you guys a quick sneak peek sa mga backstage, ng mga happenings. Ayan, sumuli na ang kakitabo if ever you're part of the team, organizing team, and or if ever you're a host sa mga yun-anan nga events. So hopefully next year, I'll see you. Please comment down below kung asa yun mo na events nga nag-enjoy kayo and asa na events nga nakita and all. And I hope to see you guys more, not only my events, but here on my YouTube channel on my videos. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Till the next video, everyone!